Our YouTube channel KRIDHU. Today we are going to read Law of Natural Growth and Decay. It is an important topic of M2 Unit First. So, how are you guys? I feel all better. So, now we are going to start our topic. So, Law of Natural Growth and Decay basically means what? Like we take on a chemically changing substance, its certain amount. That amount we can consider as X. Now that X, when changing with respect to T, should be proportional to the X at that T. Mean time, t for respect, t means time. So which means dx over dt equal to x. This is the main concept of the law of natural growth and decay. Here also you can see it is sign of proportionality, not equal. So when we is removing the sign of proportionality, what we getting here? K, dx over dt equal to kx, where k belongs to all the real numbers. So once you read this definition also, so the definition it says the rate of change of amount x of t of a chemically changing substance is proportional to the amount of a substance x of t present at that time t. Means what? Same thing what I said. We taken a chemically changing substance, so its rate of change of amount of that substance x of t should be proportional to the amount of substance x of t at the present time t. This is what the statement said. Exponential growth and decay we can take example as population growth, radioactive decay. This can be example of a law of natural growth and decay because this can be described as a differential equation. Okay, so this can be example. So now firstly we're saying as growth. Growth means what? You consider an example. Like suppose you're earning today 10 rupee, today tomorrow you're earning 100 rupee. So there you can change the 90 rupee increment in your salary, income, whatever. So that is your growth. But simultaneously if you see like today you're earning 10, tomorrow you'll earn 5 rupee. It will be a decrement, which means here law of decay. Okay, so similarly we mentioned here same thing, dx over dt equal to kx for all k greater than 0. Here k is positive, you see this. So this means it is a growth. But in decay you see here k is minus. So dx over dt equal to minus kx for all k greater than 0, which means it is decay. So if x increases with increase in time, then it is growth. What if x decreases with increase in time? It means it is decay. Consider first problem based on the law of natural growth and decay. So problem is specify that the n number of bacteria in the culture grow at a rate of proportional to the n. It means normal the statement of law of growth and decay be given, that only it means. So here the main thing that we have to notify is initially n value is 100. Then after 1 hour it is 332. Then we have to after 1.5. So that we written n equal to 100 at t equal to 0, n equal to 332 at t equal to 1 hour, and n we have to find it 1.5 hour. These all things we written. Now we can see as per the time changing, the value of n is increasing. So it is a law of growth. This we from here is clear. So now we'll take here as law of growth, not law of decay. So law of growth is specified dn over dt equal to kx or kn. That is equation number 1 we taken here. Now what we're doing, we shifting n to dx over dt side, this side, and we're shifting dt to other side. Okay, so here what we get 1 by n dn equal to k dt, that we're taking as equation number 2. Okay, now we knows, firstly we apply integration both the side. Okay, in equation number 2. So now we know the integral of 1n with respect to dn is what? Log n. So that only be written here. Log n equal to kt. Integration of qt will be what? K is a constant but taken in front. So integration of t is Integration of k with respect to dt it is here. Sorry, it is not here. So that will be what? That we can say that will be here kt. And plus log c will take because we taken log n. So now we'll shift this log c to other side. So it will be log n over log c equal to kt. Because here it is, from here it will go other side in a minus. Minus means what? It will be going in log n minus log c. But this we can write as log n over c. Because for this one formula is there. If you know this formula means you can easily understand this. So that we can. So log n over log c equal to kt. Then log taken common n over c equal to kt. Now log is shifted other side and c is shifted other side. So n equal to c e power kt. It is equation number third. If log is changing from one side to the side, it is converting to exponential. This is a common formula. Here you see in last equation what we got. In last equation we got n equal to c e power kt. This we got lastly. Okay. Now we have to put t equal to 0 here and n equal to 100 from the initial condition. So now equation third. This was equation third. So now from equation third we can see it will be 100 equal to c e power 0. E power 0 is always 1. So c equal to 100 value we got here. Now we'll substitute c value 100. So at t equal to 1 hour, second condition we get n equal to 332. So now we can see here n value we kept 332 equal to 100. Now here we keeping n equal to 332 equal to 100 e power k 1 hour. So t equal to 1 is 1 hour. So e power k equal to we can write 332 over 100. So it will be 3.32. Here point is there. So e power k equal to 3.32. This also we got. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate at t equal to 1 by half hour value of n. So 1 by half we can write as this, we can write as like this, equal to 3 by 2 it will be. Calculation is shown here, you can check from here. Okay. So now n equal to 100 into 3 power 2 k we writing. This is from specific equation method we taken. What was equation method? Again I am writing here n equal to c e power kt. This was our equation method. So we check correctly only kept all. So now e power 3 by 2 k we can write as e power k into 3 by 2. This is the basic formula. So that we written here. Now we kept e power k value at here. So that is what n equal to 100 into 3.32 by power 32. So 3.32 into 3 power 2 in multiplication all be getting 604.93 n equal to 605 by 604. You can solve it and this is the final answer what we are getting. So like, share, comment, subscribe for more videos.